Today we're going to learn about the NACS, or North American Charging Standard Adapter. Now this allows us to use this particular cable, which is a NACS cable, plug it in, and use this on our NACS compatible vehicles. Here you can see this has a CCS connection on the side, and that's what you have on the driver's side of the Macan. Now let's hop in the vehicle and configure your search to include NACS compatible charging. In your Macan Electric, NACS compatible stations are available in the charging planning process. You can see this through navigation. Select navigation, and we'll search for a destination. Circuit of the Americas, a great spot to view some great racing. Okay, let's select our route overview here, and here you can see a NACS compatible charger is available on your route. One of the first things you need to make sure of is that you are in fact at a DC fast charging station, not an AC charging station. This particular adapter only works for DC fast charging. Get the adapter from the charging cable bag in the trunk. Insert the cable into the adapter until it clicks. Plug that adapter into the vehicle. Start the session. Wait for the charging light to turn green and show that the charging has started. Model year 2026 Porsche battery electric vehicles will have a Porsche NACS DC adapter as a complimentary Porsche accessory included in your vehicle purchase and available upon delivery. The NACS adapter will also be sold as a Porsche accessory via Porsche dealers and the Porsche Online Store at $185. For your safety, Porsche recommends only using its approved Porsche NACS DC adapter, which is compatible for use with your Porsche battery electric vehicle at compatible NACS DC fast chargers. Charging speeds may vary. Actual charging speeds may differ from the maximum possible charging speed. This depends, for example, on the available power at the charging station or the state of charge of the vehicle battery. You now know how to use your Porsche NACS DC adapter to charge at a NACS compatible DC fast charging station.